children. How are you all doing? Children, today's subject is craft and topic is photo frame. We are going to make a photo frame by using a paper. Photo frame is used to display the pictures and photos. I have many pictures with me. Can you see it, children? I have collected all these pictures from newspapers and magazines. You can also collect pictures like this, but at that time you have to take the help of your parents. Children, don't cut the pictures from newspapers and magazines by yourself. You have to take the help of your parents. Now let us make the photo frame and stick or put one picture from it in our photo frame. You can use picture or photo for your photo frame. Are you ready, children? Do you want to see my pictures, children? Okay, let me show you. Now see here, children, you can see my pictures. Let me make it bigger for you. Now this is a picture of slides. Yes. Now in this picture you can see the yummy sweets. Colorful yummy sweets. In this picture children are playing. Wow, this is a picture of a big swimming pool. Yes. And this is a bird. Yes. Wow. These are the babies of bird. How many babies are there in the picture, children? Yes, there are 4 babies. Okay. Like this, I have many pictures. Now let us make a photo frame and put one picture in it. Now to make a photo frame, you have to take a paper, marble paper. You can see one side colored and other side white. You can use marble paper or newspaper or any magazine paper or any blank paper. But see that it should be in square shape. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. So to make a photo frame, you have to keep the colored side of the paper below and white side should be up. Colored side down, white side up. Now these 2 corners we have to join to the other 2 opposite corners like this. Join them and press with your thumbs, both the thumbs like this. Now these 2 corners we have to join them to the opposite 2 corners like this. Press them nicely. Press the fold nicely with both thumbs. Now open these folds. Now you can see the lines here and you can see the central point here. Let me mark the central point. Can you see here the central point here? Yes, this is the central point. Okay. Now bring one corner to the central point like this and press it. Then next corner bring it to the central point and press it. Like this you have to bring one corner to the central point and press the folds nicely. Okay children, now open these folds also. Open these folds. Now you can see here 4 lines. This is sleeping line, this is standing line, this is sleeping line, this is standing line. Can you see all these 4 lines here children? Okay. Now keep your paper like this and bring one corner to the line and press it. The next corner up to the line and press it. Like this you have to bring the corners to the line and press them nicely. Press all the folds nicely. Now again fold this on the line. Okay, you have to fold like this. On the lines only you have to fold. Yes. Can you see? Okay. Now children, you have to turn this side. Now the plain side without folds you can see here. Plain paper. Okay. Now bring one corner to the central point like this. Now you know the central point and you know how to bring the corner to the central point and press the fold. Like this, bring corners one by one to the central point. Press the folds nicely. Don't forget to press the folds. Now turn it and our photo frame is ready. See the photo frame? Yes. Now let us take the drawing paper to stick this photo frame on it. Now on the drawing paper, first draw a sleeping line to write date on it. Then one more sleeping line to write the name of the topic on it, that is photo frame. Capital P H O T O photo. Capital F R A M E frame. Photo frame. Then take the photo frame and put glue on the back side. This is our front side of the photo frame. You have to put the glue on the back side. put the glue in the center and in the corners also. Put the glue on the corners and in the center, and then stick it on the paper. Yes. Now after sticking the photo frame, take the picture. Now I am going to put this picture in the photo frame. You can take any picture or any photo to keep it inside your photo frame. Now put it inside the frame slowly. Like this you have to put it inside. Do it carefully, children. Yes. See how beautiful it is looking? Can you see, children? Yes. So enjoy making photo frame and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.